In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the no audio device installed or found error in Windows 10 and 11 in just 5 minutes. If you've ever experienced this frustrating issue, you know how annoying it can be. Fortunately, we've got a straightforward solution that should help you get your audio devices up and running. First, let's tackle this problem by typing services into your Windows search bar. Think of this as the control center for various functionalities on your computer. Once you see the services option come up, go ahead and click on it. This window can look a bit intimidating at first, but don't worry. We're going to guide you through the specific part relevant to your audio problems. In the services window, you'll want to scroll down or use the alphabetical listing until you find Windows Audio. Your computer's sound system operates through this service. The key here is to ensure it's running smoothly. Once you locate Windows Audio, double-click on it. This will open up the Properties window. In the Properties window, look for the Startup Type drop-down menu. Here, you want to make sure it's set to Automatic. This setting ensures that Windows Audio will launch automatically every time you start your computer, so you won't run into this issue in the future. If it's not set to Automatic, simply click the drop-down menu and select it. Next, take a glance at the Service Status section. You'll want it to show as running. If it indicates anything other than running, look for the button just below that says Start, and click it to activate the service. This is essential for making sure that your audio devices are recognized by the system. Once you've confirmed that the service is running and the startup type is set to Automatic, don't forget to hit Apply and then OK to save your changes. This step locks in all the adjustments you've made so that your settings won't revert. Additionally, it's always a good idea to keep your system up to date. To do this, navigate to your computer's settings by opening the Start menu and selecting the gear icon. Inside the Settings menu, find and click on Windows Update. Here, check for any available updates. Sometimes, what seems like a hardware or driver issue can be resolved by simply installing the latest updates from Microsoft. By following these steps, you'll have ensured that your computer is in the best possible condition to recognize and utilize your audio devices. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to enjoy uninterrupted audio playback. Thanks for watching, and I hope this quick guide helped you fix the problem. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips.